Hey guys, it's SterlingW. I'm going to go ahead and unbox and quickly review this Medline Wrist Blood Pressure Unit. It's a cuff blood pressure unit meant for travel, and it's also much more smaller, so you can put it in a pack or something else like that. So I'm also going to compare it against my at least 6-year-old Omron blood pressure unit that goes over my arm. This one actually goes over the wrist, and you just basically put it, on the same level as your heart, and it basically goes. So taking this one, open up my old one. This is my Omron arm blood pressure monitor, and this is what I use to help my parents and other folks, and also myself. And it basically has the arm cuff and everything else like that. Puts air through it. Both systems use the air and just pressurize your things to see your blood pressure. This one actually uses AA batteries, 4 AA batteries, so you could use it with just batteries, or you can use it with an AC adapter. That's what I really liked about this Omron one. It's been consistent, and also I've used it for years for my parents and myself. So, and it's been kept very well in the bag and stuff like that too. So overall, very, very cool, but it's not very travel ready, even though it does have a bag and stuff. This is a lot better if you want to check your blood pressure whenever you want to, because it's not very hard to check. You basically strap it onto your wrist really tightly, and you run the test. Once you hit those buttons, the buttons are kind of sensitive. Once you hit the buttons, it starts it off and it pushes pressure against your wrist, and it gets your blood pressure. I'm not sure how accurate it is compared to the other one. The consistency, it's more consistent if you strap the wrist tighter, I've noticed, and I basically run this 3 times, so just to get a reading. But yeah, it has that colored bar on the side that tells you if it's green or yellow or orange or red. So I'm going to assume that, green means good. So I've been running it a few times. I saw sometimes it actually pops up pretty high or pretty low. So that's why I run it 3 times. So just for consistency. But overall, it's very similar to the Omron one. After 3 runs, it's the Omron one's actually a little bit more accurate, I think. But at the same time, this is pretty convenient for packing into your travel bag, or if you need to do your blood pressure test on the go. And it only uses basically 2 AAA batteries instead of like 4 AA batteries from the Omron one. But the 2 AAA batteries is very, very convenient. Use alkaline batteries as well. Not much in terms of other things, it just comes in a bag and those instructions. I wish it came with a small bag or something to keep this in. But otherwise, even if you put this back in the box, it still doesn't take up much space at all. I basically would just put this in its own little bag and throw it in my other health supply kits and stuff like that. But as you can see, even in its box, it's much smaller than that the arm cuff version of this. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys, and hope this was helpful to you.